Hello, everyone. Yes, so we are live now. You can hear me loud and clear? Yes. 1 minute. Let me unmute all of this device. Okay. You can hear me loud and clear? Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's start. So, good evening, everyone. Welcome back again to Analytics with Anand. So, today's sessions will discuss live Q&A on the new data engineering course, which we are coming up starting from 15th August 2024 onwards, right? 2024 onwards from 15th August. This is a particularly data engineering course, right? So, this course is eligible only for those folks who wants to set up their career in the data engineering domain. For this, your SQL should be top notch. Python also, you should be aware of the basics. So this course is specially meant for those folks who are in the data analytics career for some time period. They know how the company works, right? They understand the data. They have the knowledge of working with various structured data, semi-structured data, JSON file, XML file. They have worked on all this technology. Plus, this is also for fresher, those who wants to directly jump to the data engineering field. But to the fresher, those who are non-tech, those who are completely from the non-tech background, those who doesn't have an experience in analytics industry, it will be a tough call for you, right? Do not directly jump to the data engineering. This course specially meant for those who have certain amount of experience in the industry, at least basics of Python, people are aware, right? Do not jump into this if you have not worked in the analytics industry, if you do not have any background of the analytics knowledge, if you have not worked in the data domain. No, then this course is not meant for you. Then the course which I have discussed in my previous live session is Master Data Analytics. This is data engineering course. So what all we gonna cover in this course and exactly how do we tap this course? Let me share my screen quickly in order to show you all. Yeah. Okay. So here the course, this course is priced at 5,000 rupees. Why 5,000 rupees? All the data engineering tools which you would need for your data engineering job role while working in a company for the next 3-4 years down the line, entire tool I have given here. Entire tool. It will start from your Snowflake. Snowflake, we all know my complete free playlist is available on the YouTube channel. So it will start with the Snowflake. Then it will start with your Python. Python is the most important program which is required for the data engineering. It's a must. So you should be having a basic knowledge of Python. Even if you don't have, you can go ahead with this course, right? Then you have a PySpark, the most important module. Next, you have the PySpark, the most important module which is required for a data engineering, where we'll discuss all the PySpark module in great detail, right? Next, we'll have a MongoDB, right? MongoDB is also very trending these days. So MongoDB also have brought this in data engineering along with the data analytics course also. You will have Matillion, the first ETL tool coming into action. You'll have the Matillion. Next one, you will have Alteryx. Next one, you'll have Alteryx. Informatica I have not kept up because many companies have started moving from Informatica. Next, you have the WHERESCAPE tool. This is a very, very costly tool. A separate course is also there on the WHERESCAPE. No one currently in the market, you will find anywhere, anyone who can teach this WHERESCAPE. This is a very, very complex tool, very advanced tool where you can automate your entire data engineering, data warehouse solutions. So everything I will teach you from the complete end. This is a very, very different architecture altogether, not like a typical data engineering which you see in Matillion and Alteryx. This is a very, very different, which you have never seen so far if you have not worked in the WHERESCAPE Red. This is a very costly tool. License itself costs you in lakhs, right? You won't be having a free license also. Then how you will practice that and all later I will discuss. Then you have an AWS. Without AWS, you cannot imagine data engineering. And you also have Azure here. I have not kept Google Cloud GCP due to some reason. Google Cloud, there are very, very less expert faculty available in the industry. So Google Cloud, I have not kept it, and many companies are not using it. AWS is a must. You need to master it. So AWS and Azure I have kept. WHERESCAPE I have kept. Alteryx I have kept. Matillion I have kept. MongoDB, PySpark, and Python and Snowflake. With these tools, you can land a very, very successful career in the data engineering market, job market. But this I will urge only to those who already are in the analytics industry, who already have worked for 2 to 3 years in the data analytics domain. Then this is the blind course which you can choose for. After data analytics, the next path which you should follow is your data engineer. Once you are 2 to 3 years in the data engineering, once you understand the data pipeline, then you should move to the data scientist if you have started your career from the data analytics point of view. Getting my point? So first one is the data analytics, then one is the data engineer, and then one is your data scientist. So Snowflake we have, Python we have in-depth detailed syllabus. You can see it where you will be covering everything in and out in Python. Even AI part I have included, right? This is not just a normal. That's why you see a master data engineering using cloud technology and AI. Whatever AI part, if you will see, that also will come into this ETL tool, right? Everything is there. MongoDB, Matillion also AI part I have added, right? I have updated the syllabus also where you will be having Copilot, prompt components, vector database component, and automatic document generation with AI nodes. Everything I will teach you from the AI point of view. You'll have an Alteryx in-depth. You'll have a WHERESCAPE. That's the most expensive tool which you can think of, and AWS and Azure. And whatever the AI component is there, that concerned faculty, whosoever will be taking part, that they will teach you then and there, right? So this is an in-depth data engineering course. Price I've kept it very, very minimal, 5,000, which you can take 3 months EMI also, right? Think wisely, right? If you are completely from the non-tech background, do not opt for this course. This course is not meant for you, right? Because you'll be having a hard time landing a job in the data engineering part, right? It's a very advanced course. Currently market, if you see for the data engineering, all the folks from 4 years to 6 years experience, and you get highly paid salaries above 20 LPA, you can expect, right? If you have that much of experience, right? Fresher, I won't recommend. Strictly no to fresher. This course is not meant for you. For you, you can opt for data analytics course, job guarantee program, which I have encountered. This is only for those folks, listen to me very, very carefully, who wants to establish their career in the data engineering domain after switching from data analytics. If you have worked for 2 to 3 years, at least minimum 2 years, if you have worked in the data analytics industry, then you can go for this course. I'm making it very, very clear. I'm not here to sell the course. I'm making you very, very clear. If you are a fresher, if you are from non-tech background, if you doesn't have any Python knowledge, do not take this course. This course is not meant for you then, right? Data analytics course is meant for you. This course is only for those who are fresher, who are experienced, who have a knowledge of working industry. Even if you don't know Python, basics of Python is fine for me. At least basic of SQL and basic of Python, what I would expect from you all. If you are thorough with that, you can opt for this course. And it will shoot your career to the next level. In data analytics experience, whatever 2 years, 3 years you are having, that I will convert into data engineering. That headache you leave on me. So whatever experience you have in the analytics industry, all those experience you can bring forward directly into the data engineering domain. And after data analytics, this is the very Sone Pe Suhaga wala course, which we can say, which you can opt for, right? So if you have any query, any concern, feel free to let me know. Chat is open later on also after this videos. If you have any concern, you can ping me in person in this video itself in the comment section. Syllabus and everything I have updated in the course section only. You can get to know the syllabus. MongoDB is there, Snowflake is there, Python is there, PySpark is there. Python and PySpark are must for any data engineering role. You will be interviewed purely on Python and PySpark, where you will be have to write Lambda expressions, all those things, right? This is very, very important. AWS, you have to write glue jobs, right? Kinesis will come into the picture. All these things are there along with Azure. The reason I have put AWS and Azure so that you can choose your path. Currently in the market, what trend I am seeing, AWS is the top notch. Like the Snowflake is burning currently, similarly, AWS is top notch. And inside AWS, whatever code you'll be writing, you'll be writing in SQL or you'll be writing in Python. That's why Snowflake is there, Python is there, PySpark is very, very important, right? PySpark is very, very important. I have very excellent faculty. 7 to 8 years of faculty who will teach you PySpark, right? We have a MongoDB, Matillion, Alteryx, WHERESCAPE, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. I have not kept for a certain reason, right? So these are the tech stacks which you will have in the data engineering. Course will commence from 15th August. Timing I have kept night. The reason because morning batch is for the analytics. So this will be 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 2 hours of class, right? 2 hours of class. Again, this is a 6 months course because it will take time. Again, this is a 6 months course, very, very exhaustive course. It's not like Udemy course, जहां 499 दोगे और सारा रिकॉर्डिंग तुमको मिल जाएगा. नहीं, वैसा कोर्स नहीं है. बहुत इन डेप्थ में है. In and out, what happens in the data engineering industry, that you will get to know. I am playing as a lead in my current company. So I know what all pipelines, how you will debug the data, and how you will write all those glue jobs and everything, right? So this will be 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Strictly 2 hours class, Saturday, Sunday. I'm keeping it at night so that everyone can join this course, right? So 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Syllabus I have updated, course details, everything is there. You can go on the website and you can check it out, right? Any question, any doubt, feel free to let me know. That's all from my side. Do not opt. Again, I'm repeating for this course. If you have not worked in the industry, if you are completely fresher, data analytics is the course for you. If you have a little bit of experience in the data analytics, and if you want to surpass your Power BI or SQL knowledge, and you want to take it to the next level, right? Go ahead with this course. You will be ahead in your career for the next 3 to 4 years down the line. Invest on yourself. Guys, always invest for yourself. Do not think from money point of view. If I would have not opted for the course from Purdue University worth rupees 2 lakhs, I would not have landed myself where I am. If I would not have opted for my master's degree, which is 4 lakh of rupees for BITS Pilani, I would have not have landed itself. Spend as much as you can on your future. It will give you 10 times return. बहुत लोग पैसे नहीं है सर, 5,000 लग रहा है, 10,000 लग रहा है. अरे क्या हुआ, 5,000 10,000 लग रहा है, जाओ ना AI सीखो. Just learn AI, type AI on AWS. 70,000 rupees is the course fee to learn AI on AWS. Will you pay 70,000? नहीं ना. उसमें भी क्या इन डेप्थ में सीखोगे? कोई सिखाने वाला है? नहीं है. Here you are directly talking to me. कोई तुमको दिखाओगा, कोई सेल्स बंदा कभी कॉल किया एनालिटिक्स विद आनंद से? No, never it will happen in the entire industry, right? I always call, I will understand your pain areas and I'll work on that part. So if you want to establish your foothold in data engineering domain, this is the right course for you all. Invest on yourself, right? Learn as much as tool possible. Practice as much as you can. That will shoot your career to the next level. You will have lots and lots of money. Your CTC will shoot 10 times, 5 times. If you acquire more skills, the more skills, the better your portfolio becomes. तो जितना सीख सकते हो सीखो. और सीखना ऐसे नहीं है कि हाँ कोर्स है, खत्म कर लिए, टाटा बाय बाय, 1 महीना में खत्म कर लिए SQL, 1 महीना में पाइथन. नहीं, इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है वो जानो. How to write the Python code in industry? How do we write lambda expression in industry? How does append function works in the industry? क्या append function का भी use होता है, right? ठीक है. So learn in the right way. बेसिक सबको सीखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन कंपनी में कैसे उसको यूज करते हैं. कंपनी में 1000 लाइन के कोड लिखने होते हैं, कैसे लिखोगे फिर, right? That's how to learn in the right way. Snowflake, Python, PySpark, MongoDB, Matillion, Alteryx, WHERESCAPE, AWS, Azure is there. After going through the 6-month course, you will be well versed. तुम्हारे डेटा एनालिटिक्स के भी पाथ तो खुले ही हैं, डेटा इंजीनियरिंग के भी पाथ खुल जाएंगे. तो वही जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम में भी मैंने ये सब टूल डाल रखा है, राइट? डिफरेंस क्या है जॉब गारंटी जॉब प्रोग्राम में? कॉस्ट वाइज, राइट? कॉस्ट वाइज डिफरेंस है. दिस इज जनरली मेंट फॉर दोज हु हैव अ बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो ये कंप्लीटली फ्रेशर के लिए नहीं है. फ्रेशर के लिए मैं ये कभी कोर्स नहीं बोलूंगा, राइट? डेटा इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू बिकॉज द करंट मार्केट इज ऑल टुगेदर फ्रॉम 3 to 6 years. 3 साल के नीचे कोई तुमको लेगा ही नहीं, पहली बात, क्योंकि तुमको नॉलेज ही नहीं होगा उतना, राइट? हाँ, so this is only for those who have at least minimum 1 to 2 years of experience working in the data analytics, precisely 2 years, basics knowledge of SQL and Python आना चाहिए. बाकी कुछ नहीं आना चाहिए. बाकी कुछ नहीं आता है चलेगा, सिर्फ बेसिक्स ऑफ SQL और Python आता है तो बहुत बहुत है. Got my point? That's all I have to say. So if you want to buy this, go ahead and enroll. You have plenty of time. Course will commence from 15th of August. Meanwhile, previous batch recordings also I'll give you Matillion recordings. Everything is there. You can start with the Matillion. Anyone has any doubt? Feel free to know. Let me know. Sir, tell about what is the issue? Who is pinging me? Sir tells about job guarantee course that start from 5th August. That is already Pankaj. I have discussed in my yesterday, day before yesterday live session. If you go on my channel live session, I have discussed already about that job guarantee program. I don't want to discuss again here. Just watch that videos. And if you have any doubt, feel free to reach out to me. You have my number, you have my everything, right? You can ping me. Getting my point, Pankaj? So you can ping me for the job guarantee programs. Yeah, I have discussed already a separate videos there. Go and watch. All your concern will get over. Watch that videos. There are 3 parts to that and it will get over. Everything is starting from 15th August. All the program is starting from 15th August. Data engineering I have kept separately for the night part. So that 9 to 11 aram se you can chill out and then you can work accordingly. Okay. Getting my point? Yeah. That's all I have to say. So if you want to establish a foothold in the data engineering domain, you can go ahead and enroll in this course, right? But strictly no to such folks. See, I'm here to let you know which is the right thing, which is the wrong thing. People are here to sell their course, right? But ऐसा नहीं मुझे data engineering course ऐसा नहीं किसी को भी चिपका देना है नहीं. If you're not eligible, you're not eligible. Eligibility criteria क्या है? At least some year you have worked in the analytics industry, right? At least some exposure you have in the analytics industry. Then only you can add for course. And do not worry, whatever experience you have in the analytics industry, entire experience will be counted as data engineering. वो मैं कर दूंगा, वो मेरा काम है, ठीक है? तो तुम्हारे 2 साल एनालिटिक्स के इंडस्ट्री में एक्सपीरियंस है तो 2 साल तुम्हारा काउंट हो जाएगा डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में भी. So don't worry at all, right? You can go ahead and opt for this course. Anyone has any doubt? Do let me know. किसी को कोई doubt है तो I'm here for the next 5-10 minutes more. I don't want to drag it much. Yeah, course wise, module wise, you can go and check it out there. Okay. Anyone has any doubt? Shravan, just a question, sir. Is Hadoop framework included in this course or is Hadoop necessary to learn? No, it's not required. That is big data engineer. Shravan, this is not a big data course. This is a data engineering course. I never said it's a big data course. Hadoop is required for a big data, not for the data engineering. Understand? Data industry में experience नहीं है, data analytics का idea है, practice है, then join करना चाहिए. नहीं, data analytics में सुमित काम किए हो तब. Data analytics में अगर काम नहीं किए हो, अगर 1 साल भी काम नहीं किए तो then don't opt for this course. Then continue in the data analytics domain. This course is strictly meant for those who worked in Power BI developer, who are a SQL developer, who work as a data analyst for at least 2 to 3 years, right? चलो at least 1 year में बोल देता हूँ precise. 1 साल में तो मैंने कुछ सीखता नहीं. At least 2 years you have been in the data analytics industry. Then only you should opt for this course. तभी तुम लोग को जाना चाहिए कोर्स के लिए. Else do not opt for this. Else data analytics master job guarantee program is the best course for you all then, I would say. Okay. If there is any Azure AWS part of it, I cannot create. What is that? If there is any Azure AWS part of it, I cannot create. I didn't get you, Akash, what you're saying. Azure and AWS both are there. Azure and AWS both are there. Azure, we have a very eminent faculty. PySpark and Spark are different. You will be teaching everything. Everything will be taught. Python, Spark, PySpark, everything will be taught. I have kept it very minimal like a PySpark. Everything will be taught. They are not that much different. Don't worry. That will be covered. Python, Spark, PySpark, everything will be covered. Everything will be covered. So don't worry for that part. Without PySpark, you won't be able to establish a career in the data engineering. So PySpark and Python are must. Getting my point? Python and PySpark are must. Because you'll be writing all the codes in the Python mostly in PySpark, in Azure and AWS also. That's the reason. Okay. So if you have established a foothold in the data analytics industry, if you have worked for some time, you can go ahead with the data engineering course. Yeah. I'll be taking care in the Snowflake. I'll be taking care here PySpark mostly. No, sorry, my bad. PySpark will be taken care by your Azure teacher. I will take Snowflake. I will take Python along with Prachi, and I'll take you Matillion. Yeah, these 3 things I'll handle. And WHERESCAPE, of course. WHERESCAPE, of course. So WHERESCAPE is a very versatile tool. So if you want to opt for just WHERESCAPE, you can opt for that also. Price you have to pay 2,000 rupees. I've kept it very, very minimal. Again, this tool is very, very costly, and it's a very, very entire data analytics, data engineer. If you combine together, that is nothing but your WHERESCAPE tool. Right, your WHERESCAPE tool. Go to the course section, you will see the WHERESCAPE tool. Right, yes. Entire data automation you can master with the help of this WHERESCAPE. It's a very, very good tool. You learn it, you will fall in love with this tool. After Matillion, the tool which I love is this. Entire data warehouse you can automate like a cakewalk. All your data engineering pipeline, all your data analytics, everything it will do it. Everything it will do it for you, right? Currently, you won't find this course anywhere on Udemy with this in-depth syllabus. You can never find this. No one has created this ever, right? This no one has created it ever. This tool itself is costly. This tool itself is costly. Entire data architecture, if you see here, right? So you have a lot of things. You can build data fact table, dimension, JSON, Parquet, everything you can do, data lineage, data profiling, so many things. Architecture is really, really good when it comes to your WHERESCAPE Red. I am 30, but I did 6-month course from CDAC in the Big Data Analytics 2022, but I don't have experience in IT. Then don't go ahead with this. Don't go ahead with this. Don't go ahead with this. Go ahead with the data analytics course. Go ahead with the data analytics course. Just for the knowledge purpose, if you don't want any job, or if you just want to learn at the initial level, right? Already you have one experience, Akash, in big data analytics, then you can go for it. But if you have not worked in the IT industry, so I would say work in the analytics industry for a few months. Sorry, for a few years. Then you move on to the data engineering. What about job assistance or guarantee post completion of this course? No, there is no job guarantee post completion of this course. This is not a job guarantee program. Job guarantee program is a data analytics. I told you, this is only meant for the fresh. This is only meant for the experienced folks. Those who have 2 years of experience. For them, they don't need a job. They will have 2 years of experience. They can apply directly. So they don't have to worry at all. That's why I told you, this is not meant for fresher. This is not a job guarantee program. Assistance, of course, I will give you. I'll revamp your resume. I'll help you in land a successful career in any of the company. Referral, that is called assistant. But there's no job guarantee. If there was a job guarantee with this program, I would have made this again to 35, 40,000. That's why. Data engineering, I cannot give you a job guarantee because the reason data engineering requires a lot of skilled professionals. Those who have worked in the industry for 2 to 3 years. That's the reason. That's why I'm saying this course is not meant for everyone. This course is only meant for those who have an experience in the industry for at least 1 to 2 years minimum. Those who know SQL, those who know Python, those who know how Power BI works, those who have worked with JSON data, those who have worked with XML data, those who have worked with CSV file. For them, then only they'll be able to understand. Got my point? So it is not for everyone. Currently, I'm working as a data manager, sales support. It's a business analyst role. Want a transition? Yes, you can go ahead. Very good. Nilkant, how much year of experience you have? Quickly post it in the chat. How much experience you have, Nilkant? If you're working, very good. If you're working as a data manager, sales support, go ahead with this course blindly. Yes, your transition will be very smooth. If you have a 1-2 years of experience, easily you can opt for. Right. I have landed my career in such a way. Initially, few years, 3-4 years down the line, I have worked for as a data analyst, business consultant. I have worked. Then I have moved to the data engineering part. Right. Now I work as a lead data engineer in my current company in the AI part. Right. So the next, after data analytics, data engineer is the right role. You will see how things works, how the pipeline works. If water doesn't come into your building, what do you do? Right. What do? You check your source from where your water is coming. Is it coming in that particular washroom or is it not coming in all the washroom? If it is not coming in that particular washroom, that means the blockage is there in that pipe. If it is not coming in the entire house, you check the main pipeline. That's how the entire data industry is. Okay, sir, I'll go ahead with the data engineering. Yes, you can go ahead with this. There's 2 courses on data analytics. Can you share which course is job guarantee? It's mentioned here. It's mentioned here. Job guarantee program in data analytics cloud. It's mentioned here. Job guarantee. It's mentioned already. Data analytics. And another one is same course. Both are same. This is the job guarantee program. Because this is the refundable. Your 25,000 will get refundable. That's why 7,000 fee. The other fee which you see. Other one if you see. Yeah, this one. 7,000. If you apply one coupon here. So you'll get in 6,927, 7,000. Both course job guarantee and this is same. The difference is this is not a job guarantee, right? So this is not a job guarantee program. This is only those who are completely non-tech, fresher and who wants to establish their career in the analytics industry, right? But there's no job guarantee I can provide you, right? Other course, there's a job guarantee because that's how the tie-up is there with the company and with the consultants. Got my point? Course-wise, syllabus-wise, everything is same. Syllabus-wise, there's no difference between job guarantee program and data analytics program. No, syllabus-wise, everything is same. Then where is the twist? Twist is with the job. If someone is giving you a guarantee, of course, cost will be high, right? Why do you think iPhones are so costly? Because if anything happens, they give you the free iPhone, the new iPhone, brand iPhone. That's why they charge you 10 times. That's why they charge you 10 times. Can we opt for data scientist role after this? Currently, I'm working as data processing SOT. Yes. After data engineer, next role is, of course, data engineer. Why do you think after completing my master, I have not opted for data scientist? Because I was waiting for the right moment. सब कुछ एक ही साल में सीख लेंगे तो क्या होगा? आराम से. It's a journey, no? Complete AI and ML engineering is a journey. You start with the data analytics, spend some 2-3 years, then you move to the data engineer, spend some 2-3 years, then move to the data scientist, spend some 2-3 years, then move you to the AI part, right? And in this entire journey, you keep on learning on an every day. Okay, so this is a journey. You should enjoy it, right? Data analytics, data engineer, then the data scientist. So पूरा data, पूरा picture you will have in mind कि कहाँ से data आ रहा है, कैसे process हो रहा है, क्या pipeline है. Then you will work on the modeling part. Data scientist is all about forecasting and modeling, right? So try your career in such a way, develop your career in such a way. You have to decide the roadmap for yours. Okay, you have to decide the roadmap for yours. Okay, so those who wants to go ahead, any doubt, any picking up any course, my number is freely available. Just give me a call. I always say you can call me anytime after 10 p.m. till 2 a.m. 2 or till 3 a.m. I'm available till 3 a.m. Okay. Yeah. So go through all these courses anytime you are stuck, right? You can call me. Feel free to call and I will guide you accordingly, right? Every course is not meant for every individual. Say there's a woman who's a housewife. She has 2 kids. She's completely untouched in the analytics industry from the last 10 years. Do you think I will recommend this course to her? No. She has 10 years of gap. I'll recommend a job guarantee program to her. So it depends from which background, from which what your past experience and all those things. Accordingly, then I will suggest you the course, right? So choose the course wisely. Everywhere in the course, if you go, you will have the syllabus. Content, if you go, you'll find the syllabus also over there. Just click on that and you can check the syllabus also. Any doubt anywhere, feel free to let me know, right? Feel free to let me know. I hope I made you clear with all your doubts and queries, right? So again, I will reiterate, data engineering course is only meant for those who have certain amount of experience in the industry, in the IT industry, who have worked as a Power BI developer, Tableau developer, SQL, Python, who know basics. सिर्फ बेसिक्स चाहिए मुझे, बस कॉलेज लेवल का भी बेसिक्स चलेगा, दैट्स ऑल. बेसिक्स अगर आता है तो इनफ है मेरे लिए, राइट? एटलीस्ट you will be able to write code. अगर उतना experience है, go ahead and opt for this course. Do not confuse this course with the big data course. That is entirely different. Will you provide AWS and Azure account key? That you have to create, na Kash? Why I will provide? That you have to create with your account. AWS, I have account. Hardly how much it charges? 200 to 50 rupees. First month you get a free trial account. Use the trial account, na? Or use the student account. Account key, no one can provide. How can someone will provide account key? That you have to create with your credit card. Okay, that you have to create with your credit card. Nilkat, if you have 2 years of experience, go ahead. You'll have a very successful career. Suppose 2 years of experience, you are currently earning 7 LPA. Say, rough estimate I'm giving you. Suppose your current CTC is 7 lakh. After data engineering, you can expect 12. Aram se milega. So your entire 2 years of experience, I will convert into your data engineering. Bas, aram se. तो वो चल जाएगा क्योंकि ऐसे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट भी है ना, तो कोई दिक्कत. 2 years if you have in the analytics industry, 2 years is okay. You can switch to data engineering. Ideally, I would say 3 years, but 2 साल के बाद कर सकते हो. Yeah, if you have learned enough amount of SQL, if you have worked enough amount on Power BI and Tableau report, it's fine. You can switch from data analytics to data engineer. There won't be any hurdle. AWS, Matillion, Snowflake agar aata hai, more than enough. In my company, just 2 skills you need. Snowflake and Matillion. That's it. Bas 2 skills. Just 2 skills in the current data engineering which will land your career. Snowflake and Matillion. That's it. AWS aata hai to sone pe suhaga. Right? Just with Matillion and Snowflake, you can land a job if you have an experience. कहीं पे भी 3 साल का experience मांग रहा है. If you have a 2 years of experience, go ahead and apply. Go ahead and apply. Okay? Go ahead and apply. Am I making sense to you? Is it clear? In job guarantee program, there will be everywhere live class. Entire analytics with Anand. What is the vision on which analytics with Anand is based on? Everything live. Have you seen any recorded video so far? कभी भी मैंने सेशन या कोई रिकॉर्ड किया, ये भी तो रिकॉर्ड करके डाल सकता था ना. Have you seen any recorded videos? Not a single video is pre-recorded. सारा live जाता है, right? Whatever topic I have taught you, everything I have taught you live. क्योंकि live में जब हम लोग कोडिंग करते हैं ना, तो वो अलग environment create होता है, right? Suddenly रिकॉर्ड करके तो कोई भी डाल सकता है, तुम भी डाल सकते हो. कौन तुमको देख रहा है? तुमने कोड किया, एरर आया, डीबग किया तो डाल दिया, right? Live, there is entirely different picture altogether. Every class will be live. Everything. If you have missed it, it will be there on your app. You can go and check it out later also, right? Clear? Everything is live class. Everything happen live class. And previous batch recordings also you'll get it. Previous batch के भी recording तुमको मिलेंगे. ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा. उसका recording already मैंने दे दिया है. If you want to be ahead in your race, you can go and learn in a fast pace. Right? ऐसा नहीं सर Python पढ़ा रहा है lecture number 1. You can be in lecture number 10. Suppose there are 15 lectures of Python, you can be in the lecture number 10. Be ahead in the race ना. आराम से चिल करो क्लास में. और क्या? यही तो मजा है. अगर तुम्हारे पास recording से past recording, अपना speed पकड़ो. क्यों तुमको 6 मंथ वेट करना है? Why you have to wait for 6 months? Finish it off the course in 3 months. ऐसा बना लो खुद को. फिर मैं इंटरव्यू लेता हूं, मुझे लगेगा तो 3 मंथ से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम इज कंप्लीटली where you stand. It is modified based on you. तुम कहां स्टैंड करते हो, राइट? किसी को ऑलरेडी SQL Python आता है, फिर भी जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम चाहिए. अभी से ही स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. उसको 6 मंथ का वेट करने का जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? सो इट इज कस्टमाइजेबल टोटली एज पर योर नीड्स. जरूरी नहीं 6 मंथ कोर्स खत्म होगा उसके बाद ही तुम्हारा 6 मंथ रुको तब जाके जॉब लगेगा. 1 साल नहीं. इफ यू आर अहेड इन द रेस, अगर तुमको स्नोफ्लेक और मेटिलियन आ गया, यही दोनों तुमने मास्टर कर लिया पाइथन के साथ, जस्ट गो अहेड एंड अप्लाई फॉर द मेटिलियन जॉब. समझे? बाकी ऑफिशियल सर्टिफिकेशन वो तो निकालते रहोगे, वो आराम से अपना. दैट विल टेक टाइम. ओके, दैट विल टेक टाइम. क्लियर? So that's all I have to say. Both video now is there. Job guarantee video already I have taken a day before yesterday. This data engineering already I am taking it today. Both video will be there. आराम से दोनों वीडियो को देखो, कोर्स जाओ, सिलेबस देखो, ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो करना क्या है जिंदगी में. कोई डाउट होता है मेरे को फोन करो. Being a career counselor, I will guide you this also. Right? तुम दुनिया का कोई कोर्स उठा लो, अगर वो कोर्स जिस कोई भी चैनल XYZ उठा लो, कभी भी फाउंडर उसका बात करेगा? कभी भी नेवर एवर. सब सेल्स वाले बंदे बात करते हैं. टाटा बाय बाय कोर्स चिपका के निकल जाएंगे. मैं नाम नहीं ले सकता, अभी लाइव क्लास है XYZ का. कभी किसी का कोई फाउंडर कॉल करके बोला है यू ऑप्ट फॉर माय कोर्स? कोई नहीं बोल सकता भाई. क्यों बोलेगा? उसको क्या पड़ा हुआ है? उसके पास यही काम थोड़ी बचा हुआ है, राइट? सेल्स बंदे हैं, मार्केटिंग वाले बंदे हैं, अपना वो कर रहे हैं. बट नो, हियर यू गेट टू डायरेक्टली कॉल विद मी. ना यहाँ कोई चार्ज है मेंटरशिप का, ना कुछ. फोन करो, बात करो. ऐसा भी नहीं है. तुमको तो मैंने दिया ही है 10 PM to 2 AM. एनी टाइम आफ्टर 10 PM you can give me a call, right? Yeah. So go ahead and choose wisely between data analytics job guarantee program, normal data analytics program, and data engineering program. And let me know if you need a job guarantee in data engineering also, right? But that will be a tough call from me, क्योंकि डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में जॉब गारंटी दिलाना बहुत मुश्किल वाला बात है, क्योंकि फ्रेशर लोग को जॉब नहीं मिलेगा. इसमें बहुत दिक्कत है फ्रेशर लोग को इनिशियल लेवल पे, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट केप्ट इट. हाँ, जिनको एक्सपीरियंस है वो तो खुद ही ले लेंगे, उनको जरूरत नहीं है कोई जॉब गारंटी का. 2 साल एक्सपीरियंस है, आराम से अप्लाई करके तुरंत हो जाएगा. हाँ, यू डोंट नीड, राइट? So that's all I have to say. Chalo, I'll sign off from now. If you have any doubt, any concern, you can ping me. My number is there. Everything is there. Bye-bye. Good night. Do subscribe to this channel. Keep learning. Keep following. Okay? Bye. I'll see you. After filling OTP, the website is not responding. No, website will respond. Wait for some time. Maybe रात में update होते रहता है ना. आकाश wait कर लो थोड़ा. रात में they keep on updating at the backside. IT team they keep on updating. रुक जाओ थोड़ा. अभी तो peak time है. रात में 11-12 बजे अपडेट चलते रहता है बैकएंड साइड से. इसलिए थोड़ी देर बाद ट्राई करना. ऐप से बाय कर लो ना. आकाश, if you are having any issue, you can buy from the app. हाँ, ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो, वहां से बाय कर लो. Okay guys, then see you. Bye bye. Good night. Take care and do subscribe to this channel. Happy